Hello and welcome to Wide Impact 2022, and we're here with the new BMW i7, their executive saloon, all electric, and it's built to waft senior executives all around the world, powered exclusively by electric power. Let's get into the vehicle itself. It is a huge car, 5.5 meters roughly, and it's more than 2.5 tons in weight. This is the largest 7 Series that BMW has ever made, and you will not get much change from 100 grand plus for the starting model. This is no slouch either. It is built for speed, even though it's an executive saloon. The xDrive 60 puts out a maximum of 544 horsepower and 745 Newton meters of torque. So this car will go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. So here we are inside the i7. There's a plethora of technology, as you would imagine. We have a very large dual screen information system for the instrument controls and obviously the media system as well. Very slick, very wide screen. You've also got capacitive touch panels on the light bar here, which obviously changes color. You can select your own color of the lights if you want to. But the capacitive panels here, you can touch them just to change the climate controls. There is a digital voice assistant, which is obligatory in cars these days. So you can speak to the car and let it know what you want it to do, or if you want it to control it in a number of different ways. One of the ways you can control the car using your voice is to open the doors. There's an optional package to allow you to speak to the car and it will open the doors of the vehicle. There are, in fact, 4 different ways to open the doors of the BMW i7 without actually physically opening the door yourself. So now we're in the back of the i7, and this is really what it's all about, because this is where the user of the i7 will actually spend most of their time. As you can see, I am in some sort of amazing recliner chair, which at the press of a button pushes the passenger front seat forward, pushes the whole this seat back and up as well, and then so you have a footrest here, and you can waft along in supreme comfort. The seats themselves are actually controlled by these nifty panels here. This is the touch control system, which is basically like a mobile phone built into the side, and it's a brilliant idea. You can control your media, you control the seat system here, and a number of other things, and it's such an elegant idea. One wonders why it actually wasn't done sooner. One of the things you can control, of course, is the real star of the show for the BMW i7, which is its theatre mode. What BMW have actually done is that they put in a television into the vehicle. Now, BMW did this before. In 1994, they were one of the first manufacturer to put a TV in a car, and here they are again with another first. They've managed to put in a 8K 31-inch ultra-wide display into the roof of the i7, which folds down, and then through that and a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, you get an entire theatre experience. And then you can stream your content to it if you want to. Netflix, Amazon, on the go. Just cast your stuff from your mobile device or your tablet to the screen, or it can actually, using the connected car, it can stream the services if you want to anyway. You'll notice it's even got a camera here in the screen at the bottom, so you can conduct your Zoom meetings from the back of the vehicle should you want to as well, as you zoom along the Autobahn. To go with this incredible theatre system and widescreen television setup they put in the i7, that's no good unless you have a really stonking great sound system as well. And BMW have put in the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system here, and you can spec the package where it gets up to 36 speakers, 4 of which are in the headrest for that surround sound feel, and it puts out a staggering 1,965 watts. That's nearly 2,000 watts. And there are even exciters in the front seats as well, which vibrate along with the bass frequencies. So not only do you get this amazing 31-inch 8K theatre screen that folds down from the ceiling in the car, you also get a ridiculous sound system to go along with it to make sure you get that full movie and AV experience in the car itself.